In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to embed a video in Lucidchart. So let's get started. So here we are in Lucidchart, and from here, you just simply need to get your video link first. So for example, you can go into YouTube or Facebook or whatever platform it is, as long as you got the video link. For example, here in Facebook, I'm going to click here on share to copy the link for this video. Click here on copy link, and then go here into flowchart. And then now in here is that I can now paste this. And now from here, I would now have embedded it right here into my canvas, as you could see. But yeah, the only problem that I see right here is that it's not really playable from here. When you click on that, you will just be prompted onto the link right here. And then same goes for YouTube. Do the same thing. Go into the video, click on share, and then or you could just go here and copy that, and then go here into Lucidchart and then paste that, and then you'd now be able to embed it just as easily. When you click on that, you will now be able to play it right here. But for Facebook, it's not possible. For YouTube, it is possible to play it right here in the canvas itself. So if you have any other platforms that you are using right here in embedding here in Lucidchart, you can try it out, see if you can play it from here. If not, then you'll just have to go through the link that you have embedded right here, just like Facebook. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.